Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have three new brand new sticker books from Mojo Jojoplans. There's Scalloped Rainbow Boxes, Functional Boxes Series 2, and this is super exciting, a quote sticker book, Uncensored quotes. So I'm going to save this one for last, but price points on these are $20 for these regular sticker books right here, the functional boxes and then the scalloped boxes, because these are 30 pages. This quote book is actually a little bit cheaper, so this one's $16.50. This doesn't include shipping, but $16.50 because it is 20 pages in this book. So I'm gonna go just flip through all these books. I use these books constantly in all my videos. I feel like every single video I'm pulling these books. I'm using them in my budget videos. I'm using them in all my plan with me videos. Anytime I make a special planner page, these are great books to get because they always come in handy. So I'm gonna, love these. Can't say more good things about them because I just really enjoy using JoJo's books. So I'm gonna let's go over this one since I have it in front of me. It is Scalloped Rainbow Boxes. She recently came out with a black boxes version of this. It was just straight black boxes. I haven't used that one yet, but I'm thinking this one would be good to use soon because I have some fun Christmas spreads coming up. So there's some really nice like reds and greens and pinks in here that I could use in those spreads. So here is Scalloped Rainbow Boxes, 497 stickers. And you get like the normal like rainbow colors that she uses in her rainbow books. So 2 versions of red. So you get a nice dark and more bright like traditional red. And then these smaller boxes here, some lined ones. And then into the oranges. I love this orange right here. So pretty. The smaller boxes, and then lined yellow boxes. Again, 2 versions of the yellows, light and dark. Then greens. Again, these would be perfect for some oh my goodness, Christmas spreads. Especially this like dark green. I really like that one. And the lined boxes, blue boxes, and the lines. Love the double boxes, and then these like I use for the sidebars. Purples, these are really nice purples. And if you're familiar with JoJo's books, her rainbow books always have these exact like color tones in them. So if you have one of her books, then you know like the colors that are going to be in these. Pinks, love these pinks, especially that light pink. Love a good light pink box. And then the lines. And then this next page is probably like my favorite for Christmas. Like all of these are perfection for some pretty Christmas spreads. And we have purple, green, and blue. And then that is it for this book. So that is Scalloped Rainbow Boxes. Really pretty. You'll be seeing that being used in some future Christmas spreads for sure. And then we have Series 2 Functional Boxes. So I'm really excited that she's doing this because she came out with the Series 1, which was the smaller version of these boxes. So it looks like she's like going up in size with these books, and I really appreciate that because it's super helpful to have just like this one size in a book. So we have black boxes in this size. So this whole book is going to be just this size box. And I could use these I like using this kind of boxes for like my monthly. I could use them in budgeting, all kinds of stuff. So I like this size. So here's the black ones. You get 1, 2, 3 sheets of black. Then we have red, then that maroon color, both of them together. Orange, so the darker orange, then the lighter, I love this orange. So you get 1 full sheet and then a half sheet. of each color. The darker yellow, then the light yellow, dark green. Oh, sorry, that's more of Kelly green, and then you have like the Hunter Forest green, blue, like a royal blue, and you got that like bright blue, dark purple, and then the lighter purple. And I really like that she like maxed out the space on here. Like there's no empty spaces. Well, there's a little bit of empty space, but she really like scrunched them together so you get like the most out of the page. So here are the purples, dark pink, light pink, and grays, dark gray, and the light gray, browns, and then a light brown, or like that like light tan brown color. And then that is it. So again, it's all that one size, which I find to be such a good idea to have all in one book. So if you're looking for like a particular size, you'll be able to find it in this book. So yeah, excited to see the other ones she'll be coming out with, I'm sure of soon. But that's series 2, functional boxes. Now, we're gonna go into uncensored quotes, which I know some people are a little bit like weird about curse words. Now, I'm not going to say any curse words here on my channel because I don't want to get demonetized. So I'm not going to probably say some of these words, but there's some funny, not all of them are like bad words, but I just wanted to give a little warning because you're going to see things just in case you don't like seeing those things. This is your way. You can step away. Step away from this. It's not your book. But I find this book to be hilarious and super sassy and funny. Me personally, on my day-to-day, I do use curse words. Like, some people might not think it, but I do. So I just watch my language here on my channel just to keep it family friendly and to keep my monetization. But yeah, I'm going to flip through this book now. Again, this is 20 pages and it is $16.50 for this book. It's a little bit cheaper and it's JoJo's very first quote book, so that's exciting. And I really like the font styles that she chose in here. Mixture and all that kind of stuff. So we have sarcasm, just one more service I offer, but did you die? Why did I ever think being an adult would be cool? Sarcasm expert. So again, lots of like sassy quotes. You're going to see some like curse words in a bit. I want to say there's some in here, but there's some like just funny quotes in here. I'm allergic to, I break out in sarcasm. There's some words I just don't say on here. All right, so you get 2 pages like that. Chaos coordinator. I speak fluent sarcasm. They're all clear stickers too. No, just no. This was the plan, but I'm over it now. Yeah, no. Nope. It's a no people day. So 2 pages like that one. This one's funny. I have zero desire to do what I'm supposed to do today, so I won't. All right. Oh, hell no. So this one's a lot of like fluent in profanity. One day at a time. Oops, I procrastinated again. Damn, I'm good. Tomorrow is a new day. So 2 like that. Okay, then we have the S word quotes on here, as you can see, which are really, really funny. I actually don't know which words I'm allowed to say on here, so that's why I do try to keep it like, I don't ever want to, you know, ruin the ads on here. So, but you can read it. You can see what it is. Controlling my mouth is easy, but my face. So you can see all the funny sassiness on here. RBF queen. 2 pages like that. You got the WTF words here. That's funny. Again, very uncensored. Very uncensored. Got some bigger versions here. Today ain't the day. Being an adult is dumb. Let's play with stickers instead. Not my problem. Okay, so that's the second sheet. Watch out, I'm wearing my sassy pants. WTH, one day at a time. RBF. Sarcasm expert. Chaos coordinator. Whoa, look at me adulting and stuff. So that's 2 like that. Okay, then we have some smaller ones with all the uncensoredness going on here. Funny. Okay, so that is it for this book. Uncensored Quotes. Really fun book. Again, only 20 pages, so it's a little bit cheaper than a normal sticker book if you're interested in picking that up. And I do have a discount code, so if you're interested in using that, that'll be down in the description. You can definitely use that to get, I think it's 10% off of your order. But yeah, 3 new sticker books that are coming out. Excited that she's venturing out to the quote world because that one's fun. And super excited to use these in some upcoming spreads. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this flip through. Everything will be, well, these will be linked down in the description if you're interested in purchasing. They are going to be available now to purchase. All that info will be down in the description. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.